Welcome. Now preparing for your geography optional for UPSC. The following options are available. Now the most important thing is what could be the expected questions for today. So we would understand what are some of the topics that have already been covered and some of the topics that you must not miss. So based on the contemporary aspects, we have introduced some of the topics which are really important to you. And again, answer writing sessions and feedbacks, common mistakes by students have been incorporated across each of the sections. So let's first start with talking about some of the important topics that you must expect for this year 2024. So the one very important topic is geopolitics. Now geopolitics, you need to cover it for geopolitics of energy, geopolitics of water, even geopolitics of rare earth metals. Very rare topic, very important. The next is the geographical aspects for e-commerce. Again, a very upcoming topic and an expected contemporary topic that could be part of your 2024 paper. Another important topic that you must cover definitely, as you have seen here in the contemporary topics, climate change is one important topic. Then impacts of climate change in terms of floods, heat waves. Then we have La Nina phenomena recently in India with numerous landslides and heavy rainfalls. Also the ENSO, El Nino Southern Oscillation Systems, that you must read carefully. Again, expected to be very important. In terms of earthquake, recently there have been series of earthquakes, and for that we have covered very important model which is McCalsey model and Coulomb stress test. Again, very important. So this stress transfer method you must be aware about. Similarly, from the sections on human geography, demographic dividend, when we are talking about India being the youth capital of world, this becomes a very important topic. Also the developments of China in this regard are really important. Then regional development, agricultural development, some of the topics like negative radiating forcing are again important. Besides that, other important topics include social exclusion. So you have topics like social exclusion. Another important topic can be related to traffic congestions and traffic problems. Karst landforms, a very important topic. So 5 landforms, the erosional and the depositional forms of those. Study all of those carefully. Any of these could be one of the important questions for your upcoming examination. Recently, Typhoon Yagi hit the regions of China and more importantly the regions of Vietnam. Severe destruction was seen in Vietnam, and one of the most deadliest of the typhoons in last 10 years as it was witnessed. We have also seen the heat dome effect in the regions of United States recently. So again, one of the important topics, geomagnetism and its implication, very important. Another important topic that you must be aware about is the topic on circular economy. Circular economy, we have covered a special edition on Down to Earth which talks and focuses only on circular economy. Cover this topic very carefully, extremely important. Then disaster mitigation and disaster management, highly important in light of the erratic climate changes and weather phenomena that have been seen. Under disaster management, applications of disaster management is really important. GIS and remote sensing and its applications into various fields is another very important topic that you must not miss. And one very important development is digital geography. Now what is digital geography? Bringing in digital developments in geographical research. So again, a very recent topic, a very different topic. Similarly, we can say in cultural geography you can have conservation of cultural heritage sites as one of the important topics. So conservation of cultural heritage sites is again a very important topic. And similarly, we would talk about the UNESCO tangible and intangible heritage systems. However, it's highly part of your GS but also applicative for your geography optional. So wish you all the best, and in case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect back. And moreover, the most important thing is the list of topics that we have already covered. You should not miss these topics. These are highly exceptionally important topics. For example, Howard Garden City model, very important model. Similarly, Schilt's model is again important. we have various theories and the various aspects for each of these sections that have been covered. We have Pred, Hover and Smith models. So these are some of the models which are less commonly talked about and more commonly asked. So cover them very carefully. Food security, definitely. Similarly, we would focus on food inflation, but these again become highly important for your GS perspectives. So cover those carefully. And yes, the map locations we have been doing regularly. So wish you all the best, and in case you have any questions or queries, feel free to get back to us. Thanks for joining in.